I'm recording this video show you how to change the ringtone for the SC490. So at the home screen, you need to press the menu button and go to settings and go to the number 6 option, sound. Right here, you need to scroll down all the way to the phone ringtones. So the default is this one here, and you can select the ringtone you like. Once you select, for example, we want the Kuma, you just press OK. And then, here's the tricky part, you need to press down arrow all the way to here, cancel, and then press left navigation key to make sure the highlights on the button OK right here, and then press OK button. Now your ringtone has been saved. Thank you.